What's poppin', gang? Yeah, I'm outside. It's 8 o'clock. It's the new day. We outside today. I'm about to get me some food, y'all. And I need a toothbrush because I left my toothbrush. I didn't pack a toothbrush. My throat feel crazy. I'm about to take a Mucinex right now because I don't know what's going on, y'all. But look at my view. I'm about to go get something to eat. And I just booked. Hold on. Let me show y'all my view for real. I just booked some day party shit. I don't know how I'm getting there though, but I'm about to figure it out. But I'm about to go downstairs and see if I can get a toothbrush. Let's get out more after brush. And I'm about to get some food. Then I'm gonna come back upstairs and get ready. But I'm gonna take y'all with me. Duh. Hold on, y'all. Okay, I'm fully dressed right now. Let me show y'all what's going on. We about to go on a party boat. This is what I'm wearing. Something calm. Let me see if y'all can see me. I got my little slides on. Yeah, y'all. Yeah, we finally found a buffet because those sandwiches is not hitting. Oh yeah. See? Yeah. On the buffet. I'll show y'all what's going on. Tomatoes and onions.
Cheese?
Yeah.
Salt and pepper?
Yeah. My sister's making the omelets. Fire. They making fresh juices over here. I need new wine. Oh, it's right here. I want the grapefruit juice. Grapefruit? Yeah. They really make your juice from scratch. They about to make us some apple juice. That's how the apple juice came out, y'all. Perfecto. Real apple juice.
The nectar.
De nada. Gracias, gracias. Alright, yeah, we about to go to our party boat. We waiting on a cab right now. Yeah, they said it's $63 to go to where we going. That's crazy. But we waiting on a cab. We about to go to our party boat. We just ate great. Yeah. So yeah, y'all, when I get to the spot, don't make it hot. I'll be back. Bye. Hi y'all, so we just got to the boat place and while the first cab driver dropped us to wherever the fuck he felt like dropping us, thank God we caught another taxi and they brought us to the right spot. So this is where we at right now. The boat is downstairs. So we about to go down there, y'all. It sound vibey. They playing American music, whatever. Yeah, y'all. So I'll be back when we get on the boat. Alright, y'all, we finally about to get on the boat.
Alright, DJ Danny, keep these sponsor music right quick. I got a question for everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, before we go hard and get fucked up and crazy on this boat party, I got information for everybody. So please pay attention as much as you can, okay? On this boat,
What are you arresting him for? Can you please explain what you arrested him for? What are you arresting him for?
No sé inglés.
No habla inglés?
No.
Yo, hit him with the
All right,
translation.
so what do you English? All right, so
Hit him on
explain.
translation, bro.
I have $600. They're taking from me. They got me in the jail right here. This is what I got. $600. I got my phone, my camera, my bag, with my shoes and everything. That's what's going on. What's the name of this jail right here, sir?
Sorry?
What's the name of this jail?
My name is Javier.
No, what's the name of this jail?
What?
What's the name of this jail?
I don't know.
You don't know the name of the jail? Where are you?
No.
Is this Cancun?
Yes, it is secretary. The lounger is in the
Who is
the
Cancun?
judge is in the other door. I think here is in the rights your trainer and your
Okay, so
biologist and are finished.
You're
When I
so much
finish,
here.
if y'all see me on TikTok viral, I got booked in Mexico, so I was about to fuck me a fuck nigga up. Yeah, I was. It's really my life, no faking it, bro. Look where we are. Now I'm building.